an icon. We brought a tripod today, so we'll see if it looks good. We're doing the Grouse Grind today. This is gonna be the last hike of the season. It's much shorter, like 2.5 kilometers. And then, but it's straight incline. It is also known as Mother Nature's Stairmaster. Dun dun dun! I will try to get clips of us going up, but at the same time, I don't want to be holding my phone. So, we will see. So, I will check in when I can. Rooms, guys. Washroom break. Get a picture. Oh, my hat. Look at the sign. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let's go. Oops. Okay. We're like 5 minutes in. It is really like just stairs. But
with nature.
With nature. And it's good that it's cloudy because it's not hot. Yet. It's supposed to be 30 degrees today, so hopefully. Okay, I don't know if this means that we're halfway or not, but I'm gonna keep telling myself it is because I'm done.
What?
I'm so tired. I'm hungry. I'm hungry. Yeah. And I think...
You're hungry na?
I think Lindeman Lake is way better than this. Woo.
Maraming mosquitoes dito.
Maybe I'm just out of shape. Okay, let's go. Do you see it? Okay, we can see the gondola there. So, oh, can you even see over there? Okay, we're almost there. I hope.
Check the markers there.
Wow, green and flat terrain. 31 or 40. I just recorded the clip and it was paused, so we didn't even hear anything I said. I was saying that. Oh wow, that's a nice view. I was saying that
We're gonna get onto that.
I was feeling lightheaded. I have low iron. I didn't take an iron, but I should have, but I didn't. So I had to eat some sky flakes. And we're okay for now. For a bit until we get up there, and we're very close. Look at that. Whoops. Gondola's going up. Okay, 33. Still so far. Okay, we're at number 38. I just got bit by a mosquito. Oh my goodness. Yay! Oh my gosh. Woohoo! Oh my gosh, I can't walk straight. It's so sunny up here. Yay! Wow. And we just came from there. Okay. Should we take a picture? 1, 2, 3. I can't see, my glasses are
That's a video.
Yeah, go. Food! Our snacks is cinnamon bun, plain bagel with butter, some sandwiches, strawberry milkshake that's a little bit watery, that's okay. And then this is the view. Whoa. And then if you just look down there, well, the strawberry milkshake. It's not very red, it's just the syrup.
You need the knife or this?
Okay, we're going to the lumberjack show. This is where they have the ice rink in the winter. Yes. I didn't skate because the last time it was kind of grody. Check that out. That is so cool. Wow. Those are probably handmade. Wow, I wonder what kind of tree that is.
The one that's found here, that fell.
Oh, probably. Oh wow, there's so much more.
There's the lumberjack.
Oh my god, lumberjack show! Oh my goodness, there's a lot of people already. Lumberjack show. We're gonna climb those poles.
Growing in the West due to the gold rush. And building was taking place, their wages were only a few dollars a day and their work was extremely dangerous. All right, folks, you gotta cheer on your lumberjacks. There we go, big swings, that's what we want to see. Look at that big chunk coming out of blue side, blue or green, you got some catching up to do, man. Oh no, it looks like Green had to do a bit of adjustment. His block is a little bit loose, but blue is already done. Come on, Green, he's not going to give up. He's on to that other side. Oh, that's a DQ there. Sorry, Green. Practice throw, Green. There we go. Nice practice throw. Didn't want to waste a good one there. There we go. Nicely done. 4 points there. Reached that little white fork. Perfect. First throw for Green.
Yeah!
Nice. Why chainsaws were invented. Looks like Green's got a bit of a lead, but Blue's catching up. It's going to come down to the last couple balls. Oh boy, and Blue sneaks it in. Lumberjacks are making the climb. Looking like a pretty even race so far. Looks like Willie's picking up some steam there. Bringing it down the top. Blue's right behind him, but it's Green taking the lead here.
Oh my god!
What are you doing? No, he's juggling. That's actually really impressive. Give him a hand. Look at that. Oh, no. On a 60-foot tree. That is really stupid.
Look at the view. Okay, the lumberjack show just finished. Now, oh my gosh, bird. We're heading to the owl show.
Is that mist?
I think that's smoke. Oh, actually, no, it might be mist. It looks like mist.
Been able to survive and take care of themselves in the wild for about 5 years. They've picked up a lot of skills in that time, and they now have what it takes to be able to raise a family. So the white-headed tail is a sign of maturity. 6 hours at a time without even needing to flap their
Touch me.
It touched you?
They're kind of known as nature's Daenerys, or Danny for short. And she is a great horned owl. They're called that, yeah, she always gets these nods. Some owls can hear a mouse's heartbeat from 20 or even 30 feet away. Strength to take on prey that is over twice their own weight. They're known to hunt things like porcupines and raccoons, and they'll even hunt skunks. Now, a skunk may not sound like a very pleasant meal, but owls and most other birds.
Look, we're matching.
We are matching.
And then we're back at the show again. There's 2 parasailers. And they're waving. How cute.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Got her! Check this out. So nice. Photo op.
Patong may ano mo dito bag mo sa
Say bye to the view. Actually, no, we'll see it in the gondola. I don't know what I'm saying. Leaving now. Because it's peak. What time is it? It's peak UV and it's very hot, so. Hands up, hands up, hands up! I'm not gonna brace. Such a weird feeling. Oh my goodness. We're back in the car now. It's steeping in here, like it's, ooh, it's like hot. She's such an icon. Finishing off our trip by coming to get donair. This is what it looks like. Absolute fire.